Hello, I'm Ms. Owen. A lot of you already know me or know who I am. I just wanted to introduce you to calculus and make you not so scared. I know you probably heard from a couple of students that calculus is hard and that, oh my gosh, you shouldn't take it. Honestly, you should take it. There's a lot of reasons why. If you are planning on in the future going to, let's see, the engineering career, computer science career, be an actuary, some type of mathematical career, biology, chemistry, physics, any of those, you're going to need calculus later on down the line. A lot of you are pre-med majors or want to be a PA, and a lot of those majors require calculus. And why not get the credit here, or at least be exposed to it? I know for me, I was a math major going into college. So therefore, I did have to take calculus. I had to take all the way up to calculus 4. My experience here at Butler, and yes, I was a student here, I took the ABBC calculus back early on in the days. And guess what? I didn't do so hot. I was a BC student when it came down to calculus. I wasn't an A student. I had been an A student all the way through math. But guess what? Calculus is hard. It came down to that calculus exam, and guess what? I didn't pass it. But you know what? What it made me ready for? I was ready for college. When I had to take Calc 1, Calc 2, Calc 3 in college, I was so prepared for that class, and it just made college a lot easier. So guys, you may or may not get the credit. Is that okay? Yes. All right. Is it okay to challenge yourself? Yes. Calculus is hard. Colleges want to see that you have challenged yourself throughout your career in high school. So why not take some of the hard classes? Calculus is a great one to do. It will get you thinking about math. It'll get you thinking through all the different problems. It isn't going to be hard or easy, and none of the AP classes should be easy. They're college classes. Okay, you're gonna get ready for it. So I just don't want to scare you going throughout some things that you do need to remember. And we do need to know some things from pre-calculus, but it is okay if you do struggle from pre-cal. Having knowledge of the unit circle is great. You've got to know a couple of those trig functions. And I'll tell you, I don't have the unit circle memorized by heart. You know, the one thing I do know, I know the sine of pi over 6 is 1/2. And that helps me know the rest of the unit circle with a couple of other things. And I know where a couple of other things are. Know a couple of your trig IDs, like sine squared theta plus cosine squared theta is 1. And then you know how to manipulate that as well. And know some of the other simple trig IDs as well. Some other things that you should know: Pythagorean theorem, how to write the equation of a line, know the point slope form. I know that's going back to math 1, but those are some things that you need to remember. I look forward to having a great year next year with those who do take AP Calculus, and we will struggle throughout the way. We will have successes throughout the way. All I ask is that you stick with me. Yes, we will have homework, and homework is the way that we use it to help us memorize the things that we need to know. There will be times where we're not using calculator. Actually, about 60% of the time we won't be using the calculator. The rest of the time we will use the calculator, the TI-84, and get really, really good at using it and finding intersections of lines and finding different things throughout. So I look forward to next year, and hopefully I'll see a lot of you in ABBC calculus.